Tap on the car to drop off passengers. Let's move on. The passengers have taken their seats. The train can go further. Look, it's an old railroad. Let's find out where it leads. Let's assemble a timber loader. Let's drag the part to the right place. Don't stop. And now we need to fuel the timber loader. Look at the color of the tank cap and choose the refueling gun of the same color. Pump. Now you try. Hooray! This railroad hasn't been used for a long time. Let's clear it of fallen trees. Tap the screen to keep building. We need to send the train to the depot. Look at the figure on the screen and choose the door of the right shape. Tap on the We need to assemble the dracene. Keep up the good work. Let's load the empty bags onto the dracene. That's all. Let's remove the remaining branches from the tracks. We need to wash the dracene. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Hooray! We need to assemble the minecart. Keep up the good work. Now let's load the materials into the minecart. Done! We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. Let's wash the minecart. That's all. We need to assemble a garbage car. We did it! Let's attach recycling stickers to the garbage car. We did it! The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. Let's weld a crack on the garbage car. Don't stop. And now let's grind the seam. Keep it up. To paint the stain, look at the cloud and install the spray gun cup of the same color. Hooray! We need to assemble the flat car. Hooray! Let's load materials for repairment onto the flat car. That's all. Let's repair the railroad station. Let's wash the flat car. Hooray! Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. Keep up the good work. Now let's load the roof onto the crane with cargo bed. Hooray! Let's install new roof and windows. We need to send the train to the depot. Choose the door of the right shape. We need to assemble the bucket lift. That's all. Let's fuel the bucket lift. Pump. That's all. Let's install the station clock. Let's send the train to the depot. Move the driver's controller to the extreme position to speed up. Let's assemble the locomotive. Ready. And now we need to fuel the locomotive. Push the pump to fill the locomotive with water. Ready. We need to check the locomotive before the long journey. Let's wash the locomotive. Ready. We need to assemble the train. Go on. Don't stop. The station is working! Now wizards can go on a journey! Congratulations! We fixed the railroad and repaired the train station.